Click on the link below to get discount. The Westinghouse 12500 peak watt EFI dual-fuel home backup portable generator is a powerhouse of a machine designed to provide reliable energy during emergencies or power outages while also being versatile enough for recreational use. With its impressive peak wattage capacity and dual-fuel capabilities, it stands out as a premier choice for consumers seeking a dependable generator. This generator is equipped with a 457 cubic centimeters engine that ensures a robust performance. It offers a peak output of 12,500 watts and a continuous running wattage of 9,500 watts when using gasoline, while it manages to maintain a peak output of 11,000 watts and a continuous output of 8,300 watts when using propane. This dual-fuel feature is particularly impressive and practical, offering flexibility based on availability and preference. The EFI, electronic fuel injection, technology is a game-changer in the generator market, as it eliminates the need for a carburetor, reducing maintenance significantly and improving fuel efficiency. This innovative design means that users can expect better fuel economy, quicker starts, and smoother operation compared to traditional carbureted generators. User-friendliness is a hallmark of the Westinghouse 12500 peak watt EFI. The generator comes with a remote start function, which adds a layer of convenience that is hard to overlook. The remote start allows you to turn on the generator from a distance, which is especially useful during inclement weather or when the generator is located in a less accessible area. Additionally, the generator features a user-friendly control panel with clear labeling and an integrated digital display that provides critical information such as voltage, frequency, and runtime. This ensures that users can easily monitor the generator's performance and make adjustments as necessary. The Westinghouse generator also boasts a robust construction, designed to withstand various weather conditions. It features a durable steel frame and a heavy-duty design that lends itself well to outdoor use. The wheels and telescoping handle make it easy to transport, which is ideal for those who plan to use the generator for camping trips or outdoor events. Noise level is often a concern with portable generators, and the Westinghouse 12500 addresses this issue quite effectively. Operating at around 57 decibels, it is quieter than many comparable models in its class, making it suitable for residential areas where noise restrictions might apply. This quieter operation does not come at the expense of performance. The generator still delivers impressive power to run essential appliances during a blackout or to support tools and other equipment during outdoor activities. One of the standout features of this generator is its safety mechanisms. It comes equipped with low oil shutdown, overload protection, and a carbon monoxide (CO) shutdown system. These safety features provide peace of mind to users, knowing that the generator will automatically turn off under unsafe conditions, thus preventing damage to the unit and ensuring user safety. This is particularly crucial for those who may not have extensive experience with generator operation. The fuel tank capacity of 6 gallons allows for extended operation times, with the generator capable of running for up to 12 hours on a full tank at half load using gasoline. This high fuel capacity, combined with the dual fuel capability, means that users can rely on the generator over extended periods without frequent refueling, which is particularly valuable during emergencies when access to fuel may be limited. While the Westinghouse 12500 peak watt EFI dual fuel generator offers a multitude of features and strengths, it is essential to consider its weight. Weighing in at over 200 pounds, it may require some effort to move around, especially for those who are not accustomed to handling heavy equipment. However, the built-in wheels and handle do mitigate this concern to some extent. In summary, the Westinghouse 12500 peak watt EFI dual fuel home backup portable generator is a fantastic investment for anyone in need of a reliable power source. Its impressive wattage, dual fuel capability, and advanced EFI technology make it a standout choice. With features designed for user convenience, safety, and performance, it successfully balances high power output with practical usability. Whether you are preparing for unforeseen power outages,